Suppose that you decide to borrow $40,000 for a new car. You can select one of the following loans, each requiring regular monthly payments. Installment loan A is a 3-year loan at 6.1% compounded monthly. Installment loan B is a 5-year loan at 7.2% compounded monthly. Find the monthly payments, find the total paid for the car, and the total interest for each option. Compare the results. Which is cheaper? So we have two different options. We have option A and we have option B. So let's look at A first. We are trying to find the monthly payments. The amount of the loan is $40,000 and the future value is 0 because we are paying off this loan. PYCY is 12 because it's compounded monthly and we're making monthly payments. This is a 3-year loan, so it's going to be 3 times 12. The interest rate is 6.1. So we can calculate the monthly payments to be $1,218.69. So that is the monthly payments. So now let's find the total paid. We want to take the number of years times 12 months per year times 1,218.69 per month. And this will give us $43,872.84. So this is the total paid. I don't need to worry about adding in a down payment because we didn't make any down payment. Now to find the total interest, we need to take the total paid and subtract the amount of the loan, or the present value. So the total interest is $3,872.84. So that's option A. Now let's look at option B. The present value is still $40,000. The future value is still 0. And we are still looking for the payments. PYCY is still 12. Now this one's for 5 years, so N is going to be 5 times 12. The interest rate is 7.2%. So if we calculate the monthly payments, it's going to be $795.83. So the total paid, I want to take 5 years times 12 months per year times $795.83 per month. And we get $47,749.80 for the total paid. So then to find the total interest, I want to take that amount and subtract the amount of the loan. So the total interest is $7,749.80. So comparing the results, option B has a cheaper monthly payment, but in the end, option A is cheaper. So if you can afford the more expensive monthly payments, then option A is definitely the better way to go.